Today's a very interesting day. We are going to an event called the season opener. So I guess our first official car meet of the year / show of the year. We're riding with the SDR boys, and they have a couple of cars in their fleet. That they are presenting within the car show. A couple of 33s. I don't think the Supra is going to be in the car show. It's pretty stock. It just has that carbon fiber spoiler. But I haven't shot a cinematic in a while. I used to shoot like a lot of these cinematics for SDR Garage when they had their meets, or just like car things in general. And so, you know, I kind of want today to be like a little bit more of like a cinematic vlog day where I could document some cars, you know, hang out with the boys, and hopefully shoot some like pretty sick like cinematic shots. But yeah, that's the plan for today. And I think right now I have to head over, so let's see what the boys are up to. Supra's just such a long car. Like, it's just so hard to get this full car in the shot because it's just so long. So early. Let's get it start up. It's 70 degrees outside, can't complain about that. And I hit past 5K miles, so I think that's pretty big. You know, owning a new car, 5K miles, over 5K, I feel like that's a pretty big thing to do. Good morning, Francis. Hi, Peter. How are you?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Francis. How are you?
How are you?
Good morning. Hey, we're gonna set up and then leave, right? We don't have to stay there the whole time. Right?
Yeah, we're just gonna set up this morning and then leave.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I was gonna grab some snacks later.
I mean, grab some coffee right now.
For sure. Supra.
I'm gay.
Gallardo, 33, 32, Type R, another 32 over there, and then my Supra. That guy's probably like, what the fuck? Straight up Fast and Furious shit. Good looking lineup. Right, Peter?
Oh my god, is that a GTR?
Damn, look at the squad. Nice. Train's not going anywhere, we're just kind of stuck here. Damn, someone's doing a full detail right now. Look at that. Straight up detailing his car. That's pretty sick, actually. More 32s. Fiesta ST, TLXs. Someone's just constantly revving. What is that? Or maybe a compressor noise? 10 SDI. Kuyas, 33 in blue. I don't know the paint code. I'm actually not that well versed in older GTRs, but this one is so nice. Very well kept. Love that deep blue color. Honestly, the paint is immaculate. Love that large exhaust. I think it's a Greddy or a Tomei. I'm not quite sure. But damn, it's so clean. I didn't even notice that little detail. This carbon fiber hand guards.
Looks neat.
Ooh, wow. It's like showroom.
Hi, we here. What's up? Part of culture of the house, you see it.
Even when I knew I never could, know that I can't find nobody brought his R8, Francis' Lambo, 33 as before, and then we have the Type R, 2 GTRs up front, pretty good lineup, and then potentially another white Supra that's kind of probably going to be in this area. It's kind of weird how they did the setup. They wanted 2 rows, so basically we have to reposition where it's going to be 2 cars here, so it's going to be 1 car there, 1 car there, and it's just 2 lines going from where the silver GTR is all the way down to the white R8. But all the cars are setting up. Man, this blue just pops inside with the indoor lighting. It is so just, I don't know, it just pops. Such a good, nice color. Very different from the Type R blue. Rolls Royce V12 twin turbo. Look at those wheels, damn. Massive ass wheels. F80 M3, look at that color. Porsche single green, 1 of 6 with JB4 tune. So nice. It just pops so well. This green on the bronze wheels too. That's such a great color combination. Oh, this yellow S2K just pops. Definitely a track car with that huge wing. I really like the bronze wheels and that huge massive front splitter with the canards. Dang. Crazy. Nice Celica. Always nice R35. Sub RX. Evos. Classic. Great color on the GTR though. It's like this lavender, purple, light purple, pastel purple color. It's a great color. I love that wing too. And with the plate. Zilla. Dang, there's M2. I'm personally not a fan of the livery, but M2s are always so nice to look at. And I think these have, I have no idea what raised wheels those are, but it fits the car really well with the APR wing, carbon fiber hood. Wow. Also love the lights on the M2. Damn, here's the Venturi intake. Those things are so expensive. Even for the Supra, they're like $1,000 or something just for an intake. They might be similar on the M2, but that's money right there. First time seeing one of these, Venice Vanderhall. It's like a 3-wheeler. Looks pretty cool. Look how it has Deadpool in the front seat. So apparently this R32 ECU is tuned by Top Secret, which if you guys don't know, that has a very close relationship with Smokey Nagata, and that's why it has the Top Secret livery on the side because of the ECU tuning. Pretty crazy to see. Has Nismo wheels, carbon fiber hood. Such a nice car. Such a great car to look at. Everything is very cohesive together. It has a little Godzilla image. Japanese license plate, 9132. GTR is just so well kept. Like look at the inside the engine bay. Look how clean that is. All these carbon fiber little bits. Even has a Nismo plate. So nice. And when you go over to the other 33, Peters. With the orange, that's Peter. Hey Jed, how's it going? Damn, with that Morton Salt backpack. Look at that.
Great job, bro.
There's honestly a good amount of cars here. It's just, the event's just getting set up right now, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be much bigger later on. But dang, this lineup is pretty stacked. 33s, 32s, Type Rs. I know this is like the 4th time of me saying this. Francis has to move. Another blue 33, Gallardo, and then in the back, an R8 V10. So nice. Wow. JDM vibes. Freaking screens everywhere. Suicide. Well, Lambo doors. Battle arrow. Pandem? Yeah. Pandem kit. Full Pandem kit. This is crazy. Look how many screens he's got.
That's crazy, dude. The screen?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 iPad. And then he also has like a TV back here. 4, 5, 6. You can watch straight up movies on this. Oh, and it's an Xenotech wrap. That's crazy. Good quality wrap in Xenotech. Yeah. We have Hector from Fast and Furious just chilling over there. Nice double RX on bags too. Love that wrap. Really like how these two Supras are just parked up. You have the A90, then you have the Mark IV Castrol version. I heard this guy's pretty big on YouTube. I really don't know him, but this car is just, I mean, it's iconic livery. Really like that on the Rays too. TEs, sick. I like how also the A90 is on bags, bronze wheels, Street Hunter wing, that front carbon fiber splitter. Man, if I got one, I honestly need one of these front carbon fiber splitters because I scrape so much. Well, I don't know if it's, I want a carbon fiber one because I'm probably gonna break it, but it looks still nice. Yo, these lights be kind of crazy though. I would totally crash if I saw this stuff. Get hella distracted if I was driving. I love this 240. Look at that camber, super tucked in. And a 300ZX with the blue, nice.
You.
Yes, sir. Oh, thank you for the pizza.
Yeah. Hey.
Thank you, boo.
You're welcome.
Is it? Oh, you got the crushed pepper?
What is going on, guys? Just got back home. Honestly, the meet was smaller than expected, but it was all right. A lot of cars there. Not as much as I originally thought it was gonna be. Supers all parked up. Hector from Fast and Furious, I forget his full name, but he wanted to take a picture with us, SDR as a whole, so we got a photo with him, of course. I think the reason why that there was not a lot of cars there was because there was other simultaneous meets going on in the area at the time. I know there was one a little bit west and there's one a little bit more east, but overall it was a fun time. I hung out with the boys, brought a lot of cars. So if you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.